In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to email. By the end, you'll have Grammarly checking your spelling, grammar, and tone directly inside your inbox, so your messages look polished before you hit send. First, open your browser and search for Grammarly extension. Look for the official listing in your browser's add-ons. Store the Chrome Web Store, Microsoft Edge add-ons, or the Firefox add-ons site. Make sure the publisher is Grammarly, Incorporated, and that the listing has plenty of reviews and a recent update date. This helps you avoid lookalike extensions and ensures you're installing the genuine tool. If you're on Safari, Grammarly is available through the App Store with a slightly different install flow, but the idea is the same. You're adding Grammarly to your browser so it can work inside web pages like your email. Next, add it and activate it. Click the button that says Add to Chrome, Get, or Add. Then confirm when your browser asks for permission. The extension will download and install in a few seconds. If your browser offers a pin or toolbar option, pin Grammarly so the small green G icon stays visible. It makes access easier. You may be prompted to sign in or create a free account. This connects your settings and custom dictionary. If a quick setup screen appears, leave the default protections on so Grammarly can analyze text where you type. You can always fine-tune site-level controls later if you prefer. If you're on a managed work computer, you might need admin approval. In that case, request access through your IT team. And if you already use another writing helper, consider turning it off to avoid overlapping suggestions. Now, head to your email. Open your preferred webmail service in the same browser where you installed Grammarly. Start a new message or reply to an existing one. In the Compose window, you should see the Grammarly icon, usually a green G, near the bottom corner of the editor or hovering at the edge of the text box. Type a sentence or two and give it a moment. You'll notice gentle underlines for suggestions. Click each underline or the floating Grammarly card to review fixes and improvements. Then accept the ones you want. If you don't see the icon, refresh the page. Confirm the extension is enabled and make sure you're not in a private window where extensions are disabled. You can also open the extension menu and verify it's allowed on your email site. That's it. With Grammarly active in your email, you'll catch mistakes early, write with confidence, and send clearer messages every time.